So if we're in Tokyo, we're going to come and see the man himself, Morohoshi, who is the legend of fighting star car club here in Tokyo. Come in, having a coffee at their workshop. They're busy modifying a Huracan while this SVJ is in next, but obviously the star of the show is Morohoshi's unbelievable, world famous, flashy light, crazy, fully modified, full send, next level Lamborghini Aventador. Roll the B-roll. So just check out the workshop with all the posters, Morohoshi in front of his famous 50th Aventador. Look at all of this, the design everywhere, the stickers, amazing. And here we have a little look. Look at many of the models, look at this. Wow. Which one's your favourite? What's your favourite one? Best one.
All.
There we go. All. The ones with diamantes on over there, the Diablos.
Wow. He even has the sparkles on the Lambos.
Mohoroshi.
Yes. And have a look at this. Even the table has got the diamonds on it. He's got his own golf bag, finishing the chrome gold. And everywhere you look is either brightly sparkles like this Diablo SV light, which is Louis Vuitton, to his main car with a Lamborghini inside. And this Huracan's going in for all the lights. And then the legend himself, even with his phone case, as a Lamborghini. And this SVJ in here. Like, you look at all of this. Absolutely incredible in here with the Rolex watch.
Thank you.